Hello today I'm going to show you how to replace your ink cartridges on your HP OfficeJet Pro Series printer. In this case it's a 9010E model, but the thread is nearly on all the OfficeJet Pros the same. In this printer there are not only one ink cartridge, there are a little bit more. But some coloring is used even when the printing with the black cartridge only. Okay, so have a look how much is ink in your cartridge system. If you go to setup, look for the ink, and you can see here C is empty, M is nearly empty, and yellow the same. In this case, black is good, so we do not have to replace the black one. If you go to the information about the ink cartridges, you can see in this case here it is an HP 963 setup cartridge inside, but you can also replace it by using another cartridge which is a little bit more space inside. So if you open, while the printer is switched on, you open the cover, the maintenance cover on the front side, the ink cartridge system will automatically shows you and comes to you in the center of the printer. And then it's really easy, as you can see, you can replace it in a second. It's really easy. We make sure that the print is turned on. We open the front door, we open the cartridge access door, okay, and then we can start with the replacement. We press the front of the cartridge to release it, and then we remove it from the slot. Easy peasy. We remove the new cartridge from its package, of course. We use the color-coded letter for help. We slide the cartridge into the empty slot until it's securely installed in the slot itself. We make sure that the color-coded letter on the cartridge matches that on the slot. And then we are ready. We replaced it. We can close the lid and then we can continue printing. Of course, we repeat these steps for all empty cartridge systems, and after this, if you have the HP Plus model or the Instant Ink, you can send the cartridge back to HP and they will replace it easily. You see, it's really easy to replace the ink cartridge system easily. But take care, some color ink is used even when printing with the black cartridge only. Ink is used in a number of ways throughout the inkjet printing process. In general, ink in a cartridge is used for printing documents, photographs, and other such materials. Some ink, however, must be used to maintain the health of the print head. Some ink is residual, and some ink is evaporates. Okay, so you have to maintain all the ink inside your system. If you used even black or the black one, of course. So we replaced it easily peasily, and I say thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Son.